Hi everyone. I was thinking about what topic to do this week because after the last week and talking about parents, and there's so many situations where teachers are not getting backed up, and it breaks my heart because like I said, I have 100% had that before. And not that story. That story I was totally backed up, but there are more stories about where the parents were crazy. Yeah, and I just had to grin and bear it. Anyway, and that made me think about teachers who have been thinking about going out on their own. Because in my professional development times, I have had a few teachers come up to me and say, I dream about what you're doing. This is what I really want to do. I just don't know how to do it. So I'm happy to give you my exact business plan to do what I do, because my last full-time position as curriculum coordinator really wasn't going anywhere. And I really expanded that program like so much. And they were not able to deliver any sort of compensation for that after several years. And so I decided to make the big leap to go out on my own. And it was tough because I loved it. I loved where I worked. I loved the people. I loved what I did. And so I came up with a business plan because preschools little kids can't go on field trips, right? So a lot of preschools have activities and teachers come to visit them, whether it's art or a dance teacher or a music teacher, or maybe they have a teacher in-house. But I came up with a completely unique, different kind of big, crazy interactive story time that I call Tent Adventures. That is what I created. Hyper interactive, yet teaching kids reading. The schools in my local area have absolutely gone nuts for them, and they love them. I parlayed that into doing professional development, teaching what I do. Now, my biggest struggle was with what to charge and how to do it. I mean, I don't have a business background per se, but I do know kids. So you need to stick with me, because if this is your dream, because I'm going to be encouraging you to follow your dreams, because we only have one life to live, honey. And if you are done with working in a school and you simply cannot do it anymore, and you have the latitude to have just a little bit of time to build up your business, because I will be honest with you, I have replaced a preschool teacher's income with what I do on my own, working like 1/4 of the year, maybe 1/3 of the year. So it's doable, I promise you. And the cool part is, if you go visit my website, I'm selling the lesson plans that I use, that I know work and that kids love. So I started with my very basic lesson plans are already on there now, but I am going to be, and right now on social media, you can see clips of me in action with the Tent Adventure. Hi everybody, Susan Frizzell with Fab Frizz Education here. I have a brand new tent adventure to give you guys a sneak peek of. I'm guessing you know the theme already. Winter tent. We even get to go on a sleigh ride. Look at that. It's like nothing that I've ever done before, and I can't wait for your kids to experience it. So sign up today. What are you waiting for? We don't want winter to go away yet. You did find an apple. That's awesome. What color apple is it? Green apples, that's right. There you go. Here, I'll bring it down for you. I can't, I don't know about you. Here, let's try this one over here. There you go. Good job, you guys. What did you find?
You found a
dirt?
Oh,
squish it.
You found a pumpkin.
What'd you find? Corn. Yum, yum. What color is that? Orange. Good job. But I'm going to be selling those lesson plans for really inexpensive that you can buy, and I will tell you top to bottom how to do the whole thing. And the best part is they work, and they love them. So that's a whole load off of your plate right there, because you don't have to figure that part out. You can also go on to my old website, which is Fab Frizz, Fab as in short for fabulous, Frizz short for Frizzell.com. That's my work, my in-person website. So there I have the prices so you can see what to charge, because that was the hardest part. You can see what to charge, you can see what I offer, and you can do your own thing. Please. I feel like you can do it. I really do. So anyway, I will be giving more tips, and FabFrizzEducation.com is my online website that has all my online videos that I sell to help you be a better teacher and or go on your own. So check it out. Just browse around and stay tuned, because as soon as I can fit the tent up in my living room, I'm going to be showing you how to do the tent adventures that make you money. Okay? All right. Not that I'm saying you shouldn't stay in teaching. If you love teaching, stay with teaching because they need you. But also, if you really, really, really want to go on your own, I can help with that. All right. Have a great week.